The State Transport Authority has decided in its meeting dated 13th of June that they will implement the digital meters for taxis, that is motor cabs, in the state of Goa. In the minutes they had stated that the pilot period for this would be from the 1st of July to the 15th of July, and from 16th of July they would be starting implementation for all taxis. However, the minutes have been placed today in our petition, and the government however requested for about 15 days extension. So now what will happen is from 16th of July they will be starting it on pilot basis till the 31st of July, and from the 1st of August it will be implemented for all motor taxis across Goa. It also states that within 6 months from 1st of August digital meters would be fitted for all taxis or motor cabs across the state of Goa, but the implementation will start from 1st of August. This entails two things: that whatever permits are either renewed or issued afresh from the 1st of August, fitting of digital meters will be mandatory as per Rule 140 of the Goa State Motor Vehicle Rules. So from 1st of August, digital meters will be a compulsory thing for all motor cabs and taxis across Goa.